Action.
Hi guys, it's Jensen from Jensen 2830, and today I will be reviewing the Nerf and Strike Elite Zombie Strike Side Strike. Here's the front of it, and here's the back of it. Let's show you first. First things first. This I like on it because it helps me aim on the target. It has, on this side, you see the side strike and the zombie strike and says nerf. And there's also a sign that says end strike elite. And on the back of it, it says side strike and nerf. And it has some instructions. It says count and do not aim at eyes or face. To avoid injury, use dart design for this product. Do not use dart or dart blaster. Dart's the dart blaster. And we also have it got a nice white, it got a nice orange and brown for the handle only. A little bit of gray. And we also have one tactical reel that's green and also a little bit of black too. That for the nerve and the side track and all of these. There's one tactical reel. And first I thought batteries were loaded. Then too bad it didn't load the batteries. There's this thing which there's a screw here. And it has a button and one tactical reel that's flat. Like if you want to see a long arm review, click the button subscribe up there. And we have one dart for only one dart at a time. And there's also space for 2 extra darts. When you shoot the first dart, take the second dart, load in, go fire. Bye YouTube, see you guys next time, bye. And don't forget to subscribe and check back soon for new episodes. Papa, stop the video!